What's up guys, Sal here. So ever since OnePlus launched two OnePlus 7 devices at the same time a few months ago, people were wondering whether or not there would be a T version later this year because it's unusual for OnePlus to launch two devices at the same time. Well, there will be a T version this year, and as you guessed it, it could be named the OnePlus 7T Pro and could be launched in October. In fact, we have images of this handset which are originated on Weibo. This is an early prototype and there is some possibility that the final version could have a different design, but it's very unlikely in my opinion. That said, it looks exactly like the OnePlus 7 Pro, which shouldn't be surprising because the design peaked with the OnePlus 7 Pro. I mean, once you go full screen, what else are you gonna do? Nothing. Yes, there are a couple of things they could do, like bending the display curves at the sides to almost 90 degrees, just like Oppo showcased a prototypes a few days ago. And it makes sense since Oppo and OnePlus are sister companies, but the probability of that actually happening is slim to none. Those displays are quite expensive and it doesn't make much sense for OnePlus to include that this year. Next year it might be possible though. The cost of this waterfall display would go down next year because of mass production, and then OnePlus could go for it because that's how their business model works. They don't invest much in research and development, aka the R&D. The new tech always costs a lot. So what OnePlus do is they wait for the tech to get old, as that's when the cost of the components go down, and then OnePlus includes those components in their smartphones. That's how they're able to sell their handsets at a lower price than the big players who invest billions and billions in R&D. Anyway, it's safe to bet the OnePlus 7T will not have a waterfall design. So that means these prototypes would end up into the assembly lines, and this is how they're gonna end up looking like. Apart from this, the OnePlus 7T Pro could have the latest Snapdragon 855 Plus, a beefed up version of the 855, and I guess it's gonna be the main upgrade of this handset. The back isn't pictured here, so hoping for some changes at the back, maybe a camera upgrade or a much needed wireless charging. It's about time they should add this because it's a basic feature that you would expect from a flagship. So hopefully we don't get to hear the same old excuse that we'll add it once it's faster. Well, it has become way faster now. The Galaxy Note 10 will come with a 20-watt wireless charging. That's quite fast for wireless charging standards, so OnePlus, please quit giving BS excuses. Of course, with that being said, would you be disappointed if the OnePlus 7T Pro end up looking exactly like the 7 Pro? If you are in charge of OnePlus, what changes would you make to the front to make it look different than the OnePlus 7 Pro? Let me know in the comments, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.